Butler. Galentine's Day is coming up, and one of my favorite things to do with my girlfriends is to share our best kept beauty secrets, especially our hair secrets, because friends don't let friends overpay on hair care when they can get luxury salon results for a fraction of the price. And with all the coloring, heating, styling mixed with the dry winter air right now, I know my locks are in serious need of deep damage repair, and these babies are my go-to. This duo, it's Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal Shampoo and Miracle Rescue Deep Conditioning Treatment. Miracle Rescue, a great name for it. They use a high-end formula, high-quality ingredients like replenishing lipids, provitamin B5, and antioxidants to help strengthen existing hair bonds and build new ones. I just love it because it just leaves my hair feeling so moisturized and soft. You could feel it immediately when you're in the shower, and it doesn't weigh your hair down, and you could use it every day. I mean, look at this before and after shot here. You know, some think damage repair takes money, but Pantene always knows it takes science, and their latest research, in fact, puts this duo head-to-head with the leading $50 bond building treatment and showed it worked as well as the luxury alternative. Both of these are under $10 at retailers everywhere, which is insane. On top of that, Pantene is running an amazing deal, $5 off 2 of their Miracle Rescue products. So it's just fantastic. Don't miss it, and happy Galentine's Day, and you're welcome for my little beauty secret.